Welcome back everyone to Tip Top Facts. Today's video is gonna be about the deadly black fungus. The deadly black fungus spreads by coming in close contact with the person who is infected by the virus. People say it can also spread through small injuries like cuts or minor burns. Today's video is based on the CNBC interview of Dr. Randeep Guleria, who is the director of AIIMS, Delhi. First things first, if black fungus had any feelings, then it would be extremely disappointed, because it's not spreading this disease. Actually, the disease is not black and it's not even a fungus. It's actually called mucormycosis. So let's just go back to the first slide and change the title. People started calling this disease as black fungus because the affected parts started to become black due to the decrease of blood supply in that area. Some people say that black fungus or mucormycosis is found in refrigerators and also fruits. How true is that? Are you wondering? People started believing this theory after seeing a black layer on the onions when they rot, and also a small black layer on the rubber lining of the refrigerators. But Dr. Randeep Guleria has confirmed that it is false. There is nothing like that. Both of these things are completely different from each other. And now coming back to fruits, there is no such thing that fruits contain the black fungus in them. Actually, fruits help to boost your immunity to fight against the diseases. Some people even say that mucormycosis is caused due to the wrong use of oxygen. But dear oxygen, don't worry. This has nothing to do with you. When people are suffering from the novel coronavirus, doctors tend to diagnose them with steroids. But people have started believing that steroids are the main culprit for the spread of mucormycosis. Actually, steroids can be life-saving in critical moments. Dr. Randeep Guleria says that the other doctors who are treating COVID patients must be very careful and must monitor the dosage of steroids taken by the patient. And they should not diagnose the steroids in the early stages of the virus. So these were all the myths that people had started to believe in the initial stages of the mucormycosis disease. Epicurus said that men believing in myths will always fear something terrible, everlasting punishment as certain or probable. Men base all these fears not on mature opinions, but on irrational fancies, that they are more disturbed by the fear of unknown than by facing facts. Peace of mind lies in being delivered from all these fears. So just as Epicurus has said, we must never believe in myths unless they are confirmed by a professional. Don't fear the unknown. We actually should be happy that the facts are less scary than the unknown. And if sometimes the facts are scarier, we can be happy that at least we know that this is true. So thank you everyone. Thank you, and as always, if you have any questions, you can put them in the comment section below or ask us on our social media pages, Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. And this presentation template was created by SlidesGo. So thank you very much. Hey there, a small message from Tip Top Facts. If you're watching this right now, then you watched the video till the end. Thank you. Please hit those like, share and subscribe buttons for us. See you next time. Bye.